Alright, this is exactly how you get 3 months on Shopify for only $1. So if you guys didn't know, Shopify has a promotion going on right now. For only $1, when you're using this link, I will provide you in the comment section because I don't want to keep it private. I want to share it with everybody. So I will leave the link in the comment of this video, and when you click on it, you will look like this. You will come to a page look like this, and when you go to the price, when you check the price on my link, you will see it says $1 for 3 months, and then you will click on the link and then you will come to this page, but you have to click right here on start for free. After you click on start for free, you will enter your email address and add your payment method. I would recommend you to click on pay monthly, but don't worry about this price, because if you click on try for free right here, and then you will come here, enter your email, and then next you will have to add your card information, and then you will get charged only $1 for 3 months. But if you don't do it right now, when you're watching this video, the deal will be gone. So make sure you do it right now, and then you can start with your 3 months, which is 90 days. That's a lot to start your Shopify store.